Hello friends, this is your astrologer Sandeep Kataria and I welcome you on this channel. I would like to congratulate and thank all those people who have been associated with us for very long time now, and I welcome all the new viewers also on this channel. In this video we have a lots for you. We have general trends, career, money, finance, relationship, married life, family life, student life and health besides general tip. Also, we are going to discuss important events and dates in this month besides the transit of the planets. So let us begin.
Before starting the predictions, let us quickly understand the transit of planets over your horoscope this month. Sun enters Libra on 17th of October. Venus enters Virgo on 23rd of October. Mars enters Pisces on 4th of October in retrograde motion. Jupiter remains in Sagittarius, Mercury remains in Virgo, Saturn remains in Capricorn and Rahu remains in Taurus while Ketu remains in Scorpio. October will bring up desires like manage money better, to travel with the family and to spend more time with family. Due to the favorable position of the planets, you can achieve good results in your workplace this month because you will be smarter and more fit. With smart work and honesty, you will be able to create a better place for yourself and you will be appreciated by your seniors. Possibly, this can also lead to an increase in your income. Business owners will also get positive returns in their transactions this month. Similarly, Virgo business persons will also do well. Some Virgo natives can start a new business and most likely they will be successful. However, you must consult experienced people before starting any new work. In the October month, Virgo natives are likely to experience peace and happiness in their domestic life. There will be a good sense of harmony between family members this month. With a peaceful atmosphere at home, you can start a new business or go in for learning new skills to improve your career prospects. This month you can meet an amazing person, but your fear of coming out of your comfort zone could destroy your relationship. If you are in a long-term relationship, you will enjoy peace and harmony. Talking about relationship or married life, Virgo natives can get favorable results in both cases. However, you must not expect too much playfulness in your love relationship as one of the partners may be in a serious mood. This month, you are advised not to let any outsider interfere in your relationship. It would be better to sort out the misunderstanding by talking to your partner.
Friends, before proceeding ahead, I'd like to ask you that are you interested in learning Vedic astrology? Are you interested in planning your life better with the help of Vedic astrology? Are you interested to read your own horoscope? If your answer is yes, then there is a good news for you. I am personally conducting a workshop, so you have to pay a very minuscule amount and join me in the workshop. For that, you will find a link in the description box below. Just click on the link and the rest will be done automatically. And now, let us get back to the predictions.
Virgo students will feel the best if they sometime devote to self-reflection. If you need to sort out your thoughts, start writing a journal or take the advice of a wise person. You need to remain a little cautious this month. You may become overstressed due to multitasking or strange fear. If you suffer from headaches or vision problems, it would be advisable to visit the doctor immediately and get a thorough checkup. There are chances of being cheated at your workplace or in your business by some smart person. So stay alert, especially if you are not very experienced. In this section, we share some important days and festivals in this month. 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. 16th October, Adhik Maas ends. 17th of October, Navratri start. 24th of October, Mahanavami. 25th of October, Dashera or Vijayadashmi. 30th of October, Sharad Purnima. 31st of October, Maharishi Valmiki Jayanti.
So that's all for your zodiac sign for this month. In case you are interested to watch this video in Hindi also, then you will find the link in the description box below, and also the link to the playlist as well as to the video in the I button above. I would request you to please give me encouragement by sharing this video with maximum number of people and also giving me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I wish you a very happy, prosperous, successful month ahead.